Marc Lobliner, owner of Scivation and PrimaForce here, talking to you about the ultimate amino, PrimaForce L-Leucine. Now if you're training, I'm going to recommend you take Scivation Extend. It's got the 2:1:1 ratio of branched amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, valine, has your glutamine, has your citrulline malate. But if you're sitting there during the day and you're like, I want a protein shake, and you want to make that protein shake super anabolic, just dump a scoop of L-Leucine in it. What'll that do? It'll increase your protein synthesis and basically supercharge your protein shake. Or, as I like to call it, Scivation way. Where do you get this L-Leucine? At a phenomenal price, and that bottle is going to last you a hell of a long time. You get it at one place, you get it at Sporty's, and you get it now.